This story begins where it usually ends. In 2018, we said every IKEA home delivery would be emission-free by the end of 2025. A big target, and we knew it. From electric trucks to cargo bikes, last year we made 6.3 million zero-emission deliveries. And in 20 cities, 100% of customer deliveries are now done with electric vehicles. Real progress. But remote locations? A challenge. In the world around us, we expected a faster move towards electric mobility, with more charging stations and easier access to zero-emission trucks. Even the weight of electric vehicles created roadblocks. It's now 2025, so it's important for us to say, we're not going to meet our goal. We don't see this as a failure, but a learning. Sometimes you have to look back in order to go forward, down a different path, on unexpected roads, collaborating with others on shared challenges, yet still moving ahead. Across the world, with time still to go, we made it halfway to our goal. In the years ahead, we'll accelerate our progress. And by 2028, we aim to achieve more than 90% of home deliveries made by zero-emission vehicles. The challenges remain, but we won't stop working on the solutions. At the end of the day, we're kind of glad we didn't meet our goal. It means we aimed high.